Welcome back to yet another video. Yes. So, last one, we prepped the spoiler. That's ready to be painted. It does need a sand down, but we're going to leave that to the person who's painting it. Just so they can do anything that they need to do. We're not interfering with their prep then. They can do as and what they please. So, we've got somebody coming down to give us a quote for the paint, which is going to be great. So, we're getting somewhere. We're moving. Today's video, we're working on the rear arches again. Yes, I know. We talked about it in the last one.
But we found all this.
Slits here. So what we've got to do, connect this to the car, sort this out. We've got to put some fiberglass here to hold it in position. Then what we've got to do is take the arch off. When it's set, fiberglass the back. We're going to fiberglass fill it in, maybe a bit of dolphin glaze, grind all the front and back off, which is going to be fun. Well, we've got to kind of do that before we do the dolphin glaze, but not the point. So we're going to sort all that, smooth it all in. We're also going to do the same on this side as well. So we've got here to do, we've got the fronts to do as well, but like I said, we can't do that until we get the front wheels. We've got this section just here, but we can't do that until we get the front wheels, which should be coming sometime end of October, start of November, somewhere around that. That's what we've been told, which is absolutely great. Then we can adjust the front arches if they need adjusting, and then what? Bye. It's bye-bye car. It's going for paint. So we've saved the other wheels. I'm going to put the older wheels back on when it goes for paint, just so these ones don't get damaged. I'm going to get these ceramic coated as well. When the car's sprayed, I'm going to get that ceramic coated. Maybe, I don't know if to PPF it as well, get it PPF'd.
Maybe.
Are you alright there?
Yeah.
It's just shitting everywhere as per usual. So I might get the carbon bonnet PPF'd as well, just because I don't want stone chips, don't like stone chips. So yeah, we've got the side skirts to also prep. Forgot about that one. But that's not going to take very long. There's a few holes we need to fill back in. There's also some airlines in there from manufacture which we can sort out again. High build prime it, job's a good one. We're going to shape the back of the arches off camera so they fit more flush to the car as well. But yeah, other than that, that's it. So we're going to start fiberglassing this. Oh no, that's not it really, is it? I just completely lied to him. We've got to sort the back bumper out. We've got to sort the front bumper out as well. We've got to go through all that because, like I said, when the wrap comes off, it's going to peel all the primer up that's underneath, so we need to sort that out, re-smooth it in and fill in any pinholes or anything. So, bit of prep work. So there's still going to be another video again next week. So next week, same time, stay tuned. Let's get cracking! Two layers of fiberglass have gone on the arches. That means once these have dried, Jack's still finishing this side, we can take them off, and then what we can do is we can then fiberglass the back of it. So this will keep the shape of what we need for the car. So the problem is with cutting it is when you take it off, it just flaps everywhere. So this has strengthened the front to get the shape of what it needs to be when it's bolted, to fiberglass the back. We're going to fiberglass the back now, and we're going to then start filling the inside. We're doing both arches at the same time. So this one around this side's also had two layers on. So once that's done, we can then, like I said, fill it all at the back and fill it all in and then smooth it all out. Then what we can do is we can high build prime it. We'll see how it pans out because it's getting done. It's getting done. So I had somebody come out to give us a quote for the spray. As I mentioned earlier in this video, it's expensive, but it's got to be done. So we're going to do it. We're going to sort it. We're going to get it done. They've told me it could take a couple of months to do it, so that is my only worry with that. Just because what they're going to do is they're going to sand the whole body back, correct any minor dents or anything like that, and make sure it comes out perfect. But we'll see how it goes. We'll see what we can do. We may end up having enough videos that you don't even see that gap. So we'll see what happens. So while that dolphin glaze is drying on these arches, we're just going to talk about a few little bits. So we're going to shop around a little bit, I think, for this quote, because the first company for spraying the car we've not heard anything back from. So we're going to try and look around, and hopefully somebody can do it. We need somebody that's kind of local, because like I said, I want to record it. If they'll allow me to record it, I want to get that on camera, because it's a big step in the build that we don't really want to miss out. So we want to make sure that we're documenting that, and obviously you guys will probably enjoy to see it. You can see the car actually being done, start to finish basically. We need it done, don't we? We need it done so we can start with the car shows and seeing all these people, because we hardly ever go anywhere. We're always busy working. So once this is done, you'll see a lot of us about. If you do come up over and say hello, don't be shy. Yeah, although we probably will be, since we've been hermit crabs for about 3 years. People, no! Like I said, while that dolphin glaze is drying, what we've got to do on that one is we've got to sand that back after to make sure it matches the arch. But now what we've done essentially is we've made the shape of the arch to fit the car. So it's getting there. It's getting there. So once that's done, we'll sand it all back, make sure it's all smooth. Then we'll high load prime the whole arch so it will match the spoiler. Again, I really like that colour. Probably shouldn't, but I do. We're going to do the other arch off camera because you don't need to see both. I mean, this side here, it's had the filler in it, but it just needs, well, the fiberglass filler, it just needs the dolphin glaze, but we can only do one at a time, you see. So while this one's drying with a spray, we're going to do the other one, sort that. So yes, joys, it's getting done. Liking the fact it's getting done. Can't wait to actually see it outside though, done, painted, finished. Oh.
You know when you drive at home that one night, you're going to get up in the morning and completely forget.
I know I am, and I'm going to look out the window, I'm going to be like, kid. So the other arch is inside drying, which you don't need to see on the car, but oh my god. It just looks so much better, even though there was white in the first place. You couldn't really see the colour difference, but this primer colour, I really like this primer colour. Like, I really do like this primer colour. I think we're going to have to buy another 350, do another kit on it, and get it this colour, because just look. I'm sorry, but I've got to touch, make sure there's no kids left. I've got to touch myself, alright? Just look at that. Look at it. Oh, God. So, next prep. We're actually going to see this car actually nearly this colour, because we've got to do the side skirts, we've got to do the front arch, we've got to do the front bumper and the rear bumper. So the only thing that's actually not going to be this colour is the actual main body and the bonnet. How do you feel about that?
Very good, make progress.
Excuse my French, I fucking love that colour though, I really do. Yeah. But smoothed in, ready for paint. Them wheels look nice. Ignore the bits on the wheels and the tyres. New tyres are coming, like I said, we just bought some pot ones to fit them. Other side, yeah, it's not on there yet, it's still drying upstairs, but you don't really need to see that. Petrol cap, I think we'll high load prime that now.
Just off on it?
Yeah, just off of it, yeah. Oh, yeah, we'll do that, and then I'll just wrap this bit until we paint it. What?
What was that noise?
What noise?
The grunt that you did.
That was my sex noise.
Oh.
Yeah, so, right, there, that literally, I love that colour, I absolutely do love that colour, but it is going Lost Black, it is going Tokyo Drift colours. I can't wait. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe
for that badass arch and this badass car that we've built with zero experience.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.